In today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing and review of the new gaming controller specially designed for Tesla by JOWUA. This gaming controller is super useful for playing games on your Tesla, keeping your kids entertained while you supercharge. This also supports Bluetooth mode to connect to an iPad, computer, or your phone. This controller can also be synced with other types of system such as a Nintendo Switch. It supports dual player mode. All of these features are packed in a very small portable controller that you can take it anywhere you go. You might be wondering, why would I need a gaming controller when I could just use my steering wheel and the side buttons to play the games? Well, it is really fun to use the actual steering wheel. You are turning those tires and rubbing them on the road. Might not be a big impact with games, but we all know that Tesla tires wear out super quickly. So you can potentially save your tire treads by using a gaming controller instead of a steering wheel. What's going on, everyone? Today we have these gaming controllers specifically designed for Tesla from JOWUA. JOWUA is the same company from where we have reviewed a lot of accessories in our channel here, including the foldaway hidden phone mounts. We have the MagSafe chargers, we have the wireless charger, the USB hub, the cup holder. There's a lot of products we have reviewed here, and I have said in the past that JOWUA never disappoints with the quality of product that they make. So I'm super excited to check this out and let you guys know about my, honest opinion, what I think about this product. Let's first start with the unboxing and then we'll go on with the review. Let's open this box here. Your typical JOWUA packaging. It shows all of your buttons and everything right here. It shows you the quick connection guide on how you need to connect. You can even scan a barcode to learn more details about it. So this is a very typical JOWUA packaging. It's like an Apple-like packaging, very easy to read and follow. And here we have the controller. And then for the packaging, it just shows you the owner's manual. It comes with how to connect, just gives you all the good stuff here. They send you a USB-C and a USB-A end here so you can charge your controller. And then there are two more things inside the box. This first one is the dongle. So this is the USB-A that you can plug in to the front USB ports, and then you can just connect this using Bluetooth to the dongle to be able to connect and play. And then this one is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So if you have the newer Tesla Model 3s or Model Y, you can just plug this into the USB-C port and then be able to plug this charger into the USB port. So they send you everything that you need in the box. So we have another controller, and this is the only difference with this one is it is a different color than this wood finish. This one is more of a carbon fiber on the top here. It's a black versus the wood finish that we unboxed earlier. This is a pretty typical controller where you got your X, your Y, your B, and then the A buttons. And then right here you have your capture, your turbo, and then your home button. This controller has two joysticks, so you can potentially use both of this on certain games. Maybe only one is activated for certain games. Here you have your directional controls. Here on the top there is your multiple different ways to connect this controller. So the first one, if you put this switch to this very first one, is the dongle. If you put it to the next one, it is your Bluetooth connection. If you press it again towards the right, this is for your switch, like the Nintendo Switch, to connect it to. And then this final one is the power off, or this is when you connected wire. These are your L, R, ZL, and ZR buttons. Right here is your sync button. This is where we are going to press and be connected via different methods as I specified earlier. And then right here is the USB-C port. So if you want to charge this controller or if you want to play wired, this is where you would plug it in. We're gonna start with the dongle. So what we need to do is just put it on a USB outlet, and we have a really nice JOWUA hub that we reviewed earlier in our channel. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug it in right here. Then we can just take our switch to the very first one. This is the dongle. And then we're just gonna press and hold on the sync button. You get a kind of haptic feedback letting you know this has been connected. Now this remote is ready to go. It shows that there are two controllers connected. We got one, this one, and then my wife's controller is hardwired. Just wanted to show you the difference. It seems to work, both of them. It recognized it. I am in the dongle and she's hardwired, and looks like it says two controllers connected. So we use the dual player mode to test these controllers, and you can use the buttons to select between different characters, select the difficulty level, and so much more. You get really nice haptic feedback along the way, and the controller functions really well. There is no lag, and you get all the features that the game provides. The joystick is very responsive. Depending on the game, you can use either or even both of these joysticks. The Beach Buggy game on my Tesla only allowed me to use the top left joystick. The screen shows what each button would do. For example, pressing Y button would allow me to enter the turbo mode, making my vehicle go faster. Pressing A would launch the obstacle for my opponents, etc. The back ZR button allows you to accelerate, and the ZL is for braking. The front 4 buttons light up, further making the gaming controller easier to use. We didn't have any issues with the dual player mode, and both controllers were very sensitive with all our inputs without any lags. To try the Bluetooth mode, I put my phone on the MagSafe wireless charger from JOWUA and went to the Bluetooth setting. On my controller, I had to just slide the switch to the Bluetooth, which is second from the left. Then, I just had to press and hold on the sync button. After a few seconds, I saw the Xbox wireless controller show up in the Bluetooth list on my phone. When I pressed on that name, I got haptic feedback on the controller telling me that the controller was now wirelessly connected to my phone. To keep things consistent, I downloaded the same Beach Buggy game on my phone. The controller performed really well without any lag. I was able to use all the buttons, and the joystick worked really well. I was a little sad that they didn't have Tesla as an option for my vehicle on my phone Beach Buggy game, but hey, I still got my red car. So I really like the versatility of this gaming controller. It has different modes right here, so you can connect to the dongle, Bluetooth, you can connect to a switch, you can hardwire this. So there's a lot of use cases for this, and it's compatible with various other systems. I really like the size. It's very small, very portable. I can literally fit this in my pocket and take it anywhere. I can leave this in the central console of my Tesla so that I just have it whenever I need it. So portability wise, really, really good. I mean, two controllers are probably the size of a typical Xbox controller. So that's a really great point, that these are very portable, yet it packages all the features that you find on high-end controllers. They give you different options. So if you are more of a carbon fiber person and you have your interior with certain way, there is this matte carbon fiber here, so the black controller. Or if you have your original wood dash and you would like to match your controller exactly the same way, then you can pick your wood dash. So I like that they offer different options for the color, so you can choose whatever you want. So I played with all the modes, the Bluetooth, hardwire, dongle, and this controller worked, functioned exactly how I would expect it to function. The joystick worked great. There was no lag in any of those modes. So that's great that they perform QA/QC on this to make sure that it is functional, and it works great with Tesla. It works great with your tablet. It works great with your computer. There's not much to say. These are just, a gaming controller. It does what it's supposed to do. Other than, the quality of the material, the functionality, I'm impressed. And as I said before, JOWUA never disappoints. So I'm really happy I was able to test this out and let you guys know that this product is out. I have a link down below with a special discount code if you want to check it out. Thank you very much for your continued support to my channel. I will be back soon with another really cool Tesla video. There is this big modification that I'm making on my car, and I think you guys are going to really like it. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Namaste.